Hello and welcome to Mindful Meditations with Janie, the Mindfulness Coach. Relax and get centered and just feel the ground beneath you as it supports you as you go on this spirally journey into peace and serenity. As you take a look at time spinning in this video, imagine that time is spinning out of you and around you, feeling no attachment to time. There's nothing to do right now other than just be. There's only the now. The past, the present, and the future are all with you right now. Inside of you, all of your memories are stored. The ones that make you smile, and the ones that make you cry. And it's all good. You are safe. You learn and grow through time. You have the free will to see time as one eternal moment, one long now, as you breathe in and out easily and effortlessly, releasing regret, releasing guilt, exhaling all tension, stress, anxiety, grief, heartache tied to time. Time is your breath. It goes in and out, spiraling through. Nothing is holding you down, weighing you down. You are never stuck unless you think you're stuck, and you can always think a different thought to unstuck yourself. When you feel time is gripping you, and you feel you're going into a state of contraction, all you need to do is just slow down. Have a seat somewhere and just breathe. Bring it back to the breath, and everything will expand, including your perspective. Your heart will open up, and you'll feel free of any illusions that are keeping you in a state of contraction. Breathing in and out. As you go about your day, always remembering that your well-being is in your hands. For more mindfulness tips and tools, connect with me at Janie the Mindfulness Coach.